Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to use chroma effect on your video editing. And actually there's a few ways to use it, but now I will show you the first way. Okay, so I already prepared a video on VN editor, and now we need to forward it by clicking the forward button on the toolbars like this. And after that, on the forwarded video, swipe left the toolbar and then click fill, and don't forget to adjust the size of the screen like this, and then click done. And now back to your video. Here you need to swipe left the toolbar and then click chroma, and you can see that when you move the chroma point here, the screen is changing on your video. Okay, so now let me show you how to use it on this tutorial. First, for example, I would like to change the color of this woman shirt. Okay, now first we need to split the video, I think on this duration, and after that on the split video click it, and now you need to add the chroma. For example, we will try to change this woman's shirt color. I think this will be good. And now after that, after you point the chroma on the object, you can decrease the spill to adjust the color of it. And for the intensity, you need to increase it until you need decrease it to 0. And on the spill, you can decrease or increase to adjust the color of the object like this. For example, I will try to use, I think, this color. And after you finish doing it, now you need to adjust the position of the second video that you split before like this, I think on this position. And now we can see the result just by now. You can see that the woman's shirt is changing the color on a blink of eye. This one. And if you want to give it an ending, like the woman's shirt's color changing into red again, you can do the exactly same thing on the first video like this, And after you finish, don't forget to save the project, and now it's done. That's the way how to use a chroma effect on VN editor. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.